Right, recording. Hey gang, this is Randy with Randog 1951. Okay, I had a phone estimate to replace my muffler setup on my 1984 van that I'm converting into a full-time camper. And the local muffler shop gave me a quote of right around $350 to $400. I didn't want to go with that. I do have some time, so I've been attempting to do this by myself. And I used a buddy of mine's old, whatever that thing's called. Oh, I'm sorry, let's see. It's a piece of equipment that comes before the muffler. I'll think of it after I quit recording. Anyway, I went to Napa. They couldn't find me a muffler. I went to AutoZone. They couldn't find me a muffler. And after about an hour of searching on the internet, I found this. This is an outfit that's been around for ever since I got involved with cars at 15 years old, or started paying attention to cars and working on my stuff. I found this muffler. It was just about $30 more than I wanted to spend anyway. Bottom line was it was $75 shipped to my door. It's called a MagnaFlow. It's stainless steel, 2.5 inches inlet, 2.5 inches outlet. I was looking for an inlet of 2.5 and an outlet of 2. I was considering, used to call them cherry bombs, but I guess they're or glass packs. And anyway, this is what I ended up with, $75. Would not, for the life of me, tighten up. I do weld a little bit, but I've only had a couple classes, and this thin stuff has a tendency, I have a tendency to burn through it. However, I've managed to weld up a couple pieces with success. And anyway, using the clamp, a heavy-duty clamp, where is the thing? One of these bad boys, and reefing down on it with my ratchet, the big one. It absolutely would not tighten up. So I kept thinking about it. I thought, well, I got an idea. I hope it works. And so I got my Sawzall out. Let's see how many I got. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got half a dozen cuts. And I'm going to go ahead and stick the muffler on there and the clamp. And hopefully she's going to tighten up for me. And if not, plan B, I'll get the welder out and see if I can weld it in place and call it good. I'll let you know what happens. Thanks a lot. Probably doesn't deserve a thumbs up, but thumbs up. And I need subscribers. I'm getting close to the amount of... I've been at this since 2014, off and on. And life happens. Sickness, divorce, you name it. So I'm trying to rebuild my channel. And pathetically, I only have about 25 subscribers. So, in sales, when I used to be a salesman, I guess the average, the top salespeople, they ask for the order about 10 times, subtly in different ways, so you don't piss off the customer. So, subscribe, will you? Thanks. See you later.